Are you running into an unable to share error when you try to use AirDrop on your iPhone? No worries, you're not alone. This issue can pop up due to a variety of reasons like network problems, compatibility issues, or settings that need adjusting. In this guide, I'll walk you through some straightforward solutions to help you get AirDrop back up and running. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Ensure devices are compatible and close together. First, make sure the other device is within 30 feet or 9 meters of your iPhone. Next, check if both devices are compatible with AirDrop. It works on iPhones running iOS 7 or later and Macs with OS X, Yosemite or later. If the connection seems a bit unstable, try moving the devices closer to each other. Solution 2. Check AirDrop settings. Now, swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to open the control center, or swipe up from the bottom if your iPhone has a home button. After that, press and hold the network settings box, which includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then, tap on AirDrop. Set it to everyone temporarily to ensure compatibility. Finally, try sharing the file again to see if it works. Solution 3. Restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Go to Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Toggle Wi-Fi off and then back on. Now, head back to Settings. Tap on Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth off and then back on. After that, reopen AirDrop and check if the error is still there. Solution 4. Update iOS. Go to Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. If there is an update available, go ahead and install it. After updating, test AirDrop once more to see if it's working. By following these steps, you should be able to clear up the unable to share error in AirDrop on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more handy iPhone troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy sharing!